Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most amazing and beautiful designing ideas of baby blankets along with very attractive and beautiful flower work. In this video, I have collected patterns which are having flower work inside them, and these designs are all having different contrasting color schemes. You will see patterns which are granny square pattern, solid granny square patterns, and other different patterns, and flower is made in the center of the square, and you will see patterns which are just simple patterns, and flowers are attached separately like this one and this one also. So you will see different kinds of designs in this video. All of them are very unique and attractive, especially their color schemes. You will love all the color schemes which are used in these designs, and in some of the designs you will also see multicolor yarn used along with contrasting color schemes as well, which is also giving very attractive and unique look to simple blanket. So you can see all of these designs are having different sizes as well, and these designs are mostly beginner friendly. As you can see, I have uploaded many of the tutorial videos of different crochet blankets on my channel already, and I have uploaded different square patterns, round patterns on my channel also. So you can just use those pattern videos, and you can make these kinds of very attractive and gorgeous blanket patterns with them. So just give them a try and you share your opinion in the comment box. And if you are interested in seeing more designs and more tutorial videos of different kinds of crochet blankets, do let me know in the comments as well. I will make tutorial videos on your request, because I also upload crochet tutorial videos on my channel other than these kinds of ideas videos. So do let me know about your opinion and suggestions, and hope you guys like all of these designs. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like them, and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this and crochet tutorial videos available on my channel as well. So press the red subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notifications of future uploads. Stay connected. Thank you for watching. Bye.